In this video, I'm going to show you how to take a mason jar, a brush, some paint, and some IOD stamps. We're going to make an awesome, inexpensive jar. Coming up. My name is Denise and I'm with DIY Furniture and Decor, where we make beautiful furniture and decor for your home or your shop. Everything that you see in this video will be linked in the description box below. Okay, let's get to this. So we got several butterflies. This is a huge butterfly. Can you see that one? This one here? There we go. So that's that. And then the crockery, look at that, there's tons of all of these labels. We're just gonna go ahead and pick one. Let's do the butterfly first. Let's get right to it. When it's brand new, I always stamp it up, and then I always stamp it off to the side, just to make sure that I conditioned it properly. Let's get this up again. I want to have it off to the side, like that. Now you don't need to press hard, you just sort of got to tickle it and just make contact with your fingers and the jar and the stamp, and you're good to go. Ooh, yeah. Because I think I'm going to do it all the way around. So let's do the bee. I'm going to put my finger down in the middle like this. Because I'm on a bend, I want to be very careful so it doesn't smudge. And I'm gonna wet distress this. So here, let me show you how to do that really quick right now. Because I'm using DIY paint, wet distressing is super easy. You can use it with, you can do it with just a damp cloth. And this is a baby wipe. Look at that, see that? There. Just like that, and that distresses it. Makes it look a little, actually I want that 32 ounce just to come up a bit. There we go. And then I like to distress my bottoms a bit. Perfect. Right there. There we go. Let's do another one. Lemon curd. Since 1863. All right, so I'm just gonna put this down here. Oh, yes! This, and let's do something different. Let's look at the detail here. I mean, that's awesome. I'm impressed. This butterfly. Oh yeah, this butterfly right here. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. There we go. I like that. And then let's just do the whole thing. Bumblebee, bumblebee. Whenever you're doing a design, you want odd numbers, 1, 3, 5, 7. So this here, if we were to leave it, we wouldn't want to leave it at 2, but see how that just made everything look cohesive? All right, let's do another one. And I think we need something down here, which will be the bumblebee. Isn't that cute? And I use DIY paint, okay, which is really easy to distress. And this is 2 coats. This is only 2 coats, guys. Okay, this is why I love DIY so much. On a glass, on a slick surface, 2 coats of white. That's awesome. You don't get that with anything else. What do you think, guys? Do you like the one where it's all the way around? Or do you like the one with just the front? Which one do you like the best? Thank you so much for watching. If you want to see the uncut full video, you can head over to my Facebook because this was a Facebook Live. So if you're interested in seeing the whole thing, then head over to DIY Furniture and Decor on Facebook. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Keep crafting. Have fun. Bye, guys.